Voicing is an important concept in piano playing. When you play a scale in thirds, if you play both sound in the same volume, it doesn't sound like a music. But if you decide to play one line louder than the other, it becomes a melody and harmony. When bringing out certain notes in a music, that's the voicing. Traditionally speaking, most of the music has the melody line on the top, and then the second important line would be the bass. So the pinkies of the both hand are the notes that we want to hear more. That means we have to have a firm fingertips with the pinkies, but then this means the rest of the hand can relax quite a bit.
Let's take 1-4-1-5-1 chord progression in C. Let's say we want to hear the top voice, which is we can practice voicing by playing the melody note with pinky loud, then adding the rest of the chords very softly. Do it several times. This will train your ear and kinesthetic memory. Once you feel secure, play it together. Remember to keep the fingertip of the pinky firm and the other parts such as wrist, arm, and elbow stay free. Do you hear the difference?
Another useful technique that you need to know when playing big chords would be the follow-through movement of your arm. This releases the muscle tension, and then you can also have nice rounded sound. This motion requires a combination of the arm weight exercise and the wrist rotation exercise. I have created separate videos for those exercises. If you haven't checked it already, please check it out.
Let's use the same chord progression again. Tilt your hand towards the pinky side of the hand. Fingertips always firm. Play the first chord. Wrist goes down. When your wrist reaches the bottom, make a circle with your wrist, and then let your wrist go up. When you make a circle, make sure your elbow is always following the motion. Once you feel comfortable, you can play faster.
Voicing is one of the most important techniques in piano playing. Mastering voicing will improve your performance drastically, and it will allow you to have less tension. With voicing and follow-through movement, you should feel much easier to execute octaves and big chords.